What's up, guys? Intraday Revenge here, and today I'm back with another live trading video. This week the market went on a rampage. Chopped around a little bit, but still went absolutely crazy. Sadly, I wasn't able to trade much this week, but I still managed to get some trades in when I could, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get straight into the video.
Fair value gap is holding. We're also in this breaker, and that's holding too. Let's look at NASDAQ really quick. NASDAQ actually looks NASDAQ looks kind of cleaner than ES. Yeah, bouncing out this fair value gap, wicking into it actually. Looks like we're coming back down into this 1 minute order block. Want to see this support. I want to see that long wick hold actually. Yeah, it held 50% of the order block, so NASDAQ did the same except it didn't retest the order block twice. Broke through that last high. NASDAQ is showing some strength. Hoping to enter at this uh hoping that this fair value gap is actually reclaimed, so bearish fair value gap becomes support, turns into a bullish fair value gap. $400 profit, under $200 stop loss. I'll probably go in with a full size mini instead of micros. I don't know if we're gonna get this move anymore. We just took that high. It might just enter the first fair value gap and blast off because the structure to the left can now be seen as a breaker, act as support, and then finally take out buy side. We want to see those quick moves up if it is going to take off right there. Alright, so it looks like we're coming down more. Entered into this fair value gap. Hopefully we go back to that reclaimed one. Okay, this might be the fair value gap. Long. Looking to go long actually. Looking to go long here. Stop loss under there. Just want that little bit more retracement. We could dig deep. We could break that low one more time before we go. It's still pretty good risk reward. Yeah, I'm gonna get in.
Order filled.
It's a little late. I wish I would have entered on that tap into the fair value gap, but I think we still do it. That was my entry price right there. So we're looking at a $230 reward. 155 risk. Once we pass this high, I want to see 1 to 2 candles till we reach it. If we stall right above, it's not looking good. Possibly a big retracement, and then we leave that open to be taken later in the week. But I do think we take this. We take this buy side liquidity. Currently in the fair value gap for ES. The confluence with ES is not looking good.
Target filled.
Okay then. Wow, it's just like I said, 1 to 2 candles. Actually, the next candle we broke above and just went straight through. And now probably the meltdown. But I got my trade in, so I'm good to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Draw on liquidity is looking, I see buy side liquidity being the draw, but there's so much chop. We have divergence. We got the fact that I can see both sides is the reason why I don't want to enter a trade, at least not yet. Both ES and NQ have fair value gaps. Price could trade into. Broke structure. Actually broke that high a little bit on ES, which makes me think that the long setup is happening. And then there's a big move down like that. This is what I was saying. The fact that both sides, there's two things you don't diddle with. You don't diddle in the middle, and you don't diddle kids. It's moving too far down for my liking. And now I see the short setup. Vib is working though. Oh my god. I am so glad that I wasn't in anything. But I wish I was in a long. But I'm so glad that I wasn't in anything. I just wish I was in a long. Looks like buy side liquidity right here on ES is about to get grabbed. We're in this fair value gap, midpoint of it. We're trading straight through. And there it is. Buy side liquidity delivered to. Let's see how NQ's doing. Oh, we haven't delivered yet. We've got sort of relative equal highs, but I'll just mark this one as a possible target. ES is taken buy side. NASDAQ is, what is that? Like 15, under 15 points away from taking it. We could just diverge here, but I'm also thinking we get into that lower fair value gap and then we bounce. Yeah, we haven't even gotten to the 50% retracement yet. I'm gonna base my entry off the strength of this move right here. If we can get above this last candle, then we're probably going for buy side. But if not, I could short right around here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in 1 mini on NASDAQ. Just shorting into fair value gap. Shorting back into near the 50% retracement. My stop is currently above the last swing high. Kind of a ballsy play, not really high quality, but I've seen this before, so come on. Almost there.
Target filled.
There we go. Whew. I would have shorted into here, which was the old buy side liquidity, but like I said, it wasn't the highest quality. I entered kind of, you know, run and gun style, didn't have that crazy of a stop loss. And here is my chart that I forgot to show in the last one, PA account, as you can see. And now I've got to go to my doctor's appointment. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
That's it for this week. I made a total of around $460 in 2 trades. Not a bad week at all, considering I was either absent or felt rushed to put on a trade. I mean, the last trade I took wasn't even really one of my reliable setups, and if I did have the time to keep trading after that, I might have taken this high quality, high risk reward setup and made bank. But coulda, shoulda, woulda, you know. Before I let you guys go, I want to let y'all know that Apex is running an 80% off lifetime discount on any size account you want. You can grab yourself a 50k eval for only 36 bucks. Anyways, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, let me know what you liked and didn't like about the video. Subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.